Jamrock home. Presents. The Chosen One. Jamaican movie full. Starring Sister Petra. Ethic boss.
Jeremiah, him no easy. Him not easy at all. Come talk about say him a go ask that little girl, if him brother can come up here to Bill. Bright and feisty. She's a child. From day one, Jeremiah is the one that caused these children to be in problem, From day one, our son wanted to build up here. And him don't make him build nothing. And him turn him mind from ya, Him turn him mind from ya. And now my son want to build up here. Him come talk about, he's going to ask Petra. Who is Petra? Who is Petra? Is him make that little girl feel like him a woman? But one thing me know. My son is going to build up here. Him come talk about say, it's because I want a piece of the pie. I don't want a piece of the pie. Me want the whole of the pie. All of the pie why woman don't get any and hit me one. So make him stay there. Why him not know a good film? Him think me I go follow him and tell me pick me not come up here come Bill. That little girl go and bite off his ears wall. And when him bite off him, me not pay him no mind. I wonder who they call me again. Good morning again.
Good morning, man.
What happened?
You tell the bus stop, man, but we don't know which part they come.
You don't know where to come, so you forget your 1 yard?
I'm not really the yard, man, but the whole place to change up.
It change up. Well, alright, I will tell your father to let your sister come down there to meet you.
Petra, I don't really want Petra come in, you can't come in.
I cannot come down there right now. I can't come down there. And your father not going good at all,
What do you mean?
Your father is bare attitude.
You don't understand, man. What do you mean by that?
Him say you spend all of the money with your woman and now you want to come up here to Bill and your father wondering what happened to you and your woman. If it's throw your woman, throw you out. And I'm wondering the same thing.
From day one, you know, you didn't like me. That's why I need to want content.
Don't say that. I don't think your father hates you. I don't think so. I know, my son, that's what you want to do. I know, but he don't see it that way. I know you want me to live comfortable, but him thinks that his problem. Yes. I know that, my son. I know it's because you love me so much why you want to fix up the place, and the place looks so crony. And him don't want you fix it up. No, don't you dare do that. Don't do that. Because if you do that, what is going to happen to me? You're going to let the villagers continue to laugh after me the whole time of my life? No, sir, I won't. Oh, Lord. You know how many times people looking at me and skin up them face, and I know that there's whispering and saying a lot of negative stuff, That's why I don't want you to, don't pay your father any mind. I think he wake up on the wrong side. When you come, I think, yes?
No, you could have feel like I'm something here now. I'm not bring something come no but just do that, man. Now I will come in there and have a problem. And that's why I need to hear certain things, mommy.
Don't mind your father. You see that your father head is a little bit touchy, You don't see that? Say your father have a little bit of, what you call that sickness there? Alzheimer's. Your father head touch. Huh? And don't pay them any mind. I think it's because you didn't send up any money for us. Him kind of have you up for it. So I don't want you to look at him as if he's this bad person. You hear what I said? Don't pay him no mind at all when you come. You hear me?
Alright, Mom.
Well, alright. I'm going to call him and tell him to send your sister down there to meet you. You hear me?
Alright then.
Alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is going to be alright. Alright, honey?
Alright.
Alright. Bye-bye. Yes. You see that? You see that? My son says that he's coming up here just because of me to fix up the place. And my husband wants to stop my flow. It will not happen in here. Daddy.
Yes, my
Daddy,
child.
you know, yeah, me I call you.
What is it now again, Petra?
Me when the thing to myself, you know. And me they say the same thing what you tell me about, say, me feel my brother come bill. Me
Yes,
they
my
think
child.
about it.
I'm just a go inside, go tell my wife, say, no matter make him coming up.
No, make him stay because when I look into it and me say the place look cranny. So after I done build the place, we run him way.
Exactly.
Because me no want him come up here, come along like say, I him one up here, you know.
The child,
Oh.
him could have never have that in his mind.
Yeah,
Right?
he will do it. Because to him fee money don't
As long as
spend.
he dey here, my child,
Oh.
that will never happen. I
Me-
tell you, say, as soon as him done the house,
He got to
he
go.
have to leave.
Yes.
Not even at
Oh.
night him a go sleep in it.
But me no know who one come up here about he want come below us for two. I must sing thing him and him girl up too. Oh, you think
Well-
say me don't make them flap my case? Me nah make them flap my show.
Well, my
Oh.
child, I will everything in your name.
But
So
that not
from him
good
build
enough.
upon the land, the house belong to you.
Well, me no feel comfortable and me no feel safe. Oh. How that
I wonder if him coming up.
maybe I him no pass. And me no want to see him. Oh, that me they tell you. Me nah look upon him. Oh, me feel bad still because. Alright, Mr. Ivan.
No, my child, it's not him.
I know him in the alright. The man they call to you. Daddy, you know see the man I don't drive fast. I wonder what he want to say to you. Know he want to say something to you. He still when I call
Child.
to you.
The situation just have me away, me.
It make me feel so sad. But through me have my plan still, you know, Daddy. You know, say me have my plan. If he
Because-
no want come out here by will, we don't take him out by force
Yes,
when him
you
be
can get the
yours.
police and take him
Oh,
out.
and that thing fi know.
But when me and Summer is still in my child, you see my wife, she have a hand in this thing, you know. Between me and you, I don't want you to say nothing, you know.
Money.
Listen me, my wife want him come here to get money. That's all she want, you know, is just the money.
Oh, mommy, fi do that.
Yes, because I was in the house sleeping and she could have easy well wake me up, you know, and tell me, say, my son called.
Yes, and she
Don't
don't tell
say
you.
nothing. And when it hang up now, she a come wake me up and I say this and I say that. Because she know what the answer would be.
But mommy no fi do that. What mommy I do things behind your back for? What mommy I do things behind your back for? I tell no some man and woman fi live. The woman supposed to tell the man everything and the man tell the woman everything.
Exactly.
And he make it, my brother call and you know wake up here and put the phone on
Exactly.
speaker. Make you hear everything what him a say.
She a go behind door, a back door deal, she dey pan.
Because
But
she up to sitting to
listen
you
me,
know.
so anything
up
where
to
she
sit.
up to, you know, me and you I go cancel it.
Yes.
Because if she feel like say that boy I go come here and come take charge of the yard, she make a sad
And
mistake.
that she fi know. And that she fi know.
Me
Then
and-
our mommy say she love me and I do that.
Listen to me, my child. Right?
Mm.
Me and you are go there and we are going to come up with a plan. Right?
Yes,
When
daddy,
me
me
want you
like that.
to do. You see, when he come here, I
Eh.
want you to treat him as best as possible.
Me they
Make
go
him feel
try.
comfortable.
Me no
right?
know if you do that, but me we try still.
Listen me, make him feel comfortable like him is at home. If he asks you for a drink or what, a
Me
matter
run
of fact, him
like
not even
Papa
have to
minute
ask you.
go for it.
You see him there, the animal sweat, you go for a
Run,
drink
go
of
for the
water.
wa-
Right? Make him feel. Wonder
I
how.
would I hope I know him they call you, you know. Kind to know.
Wonder what my wife want. Me not just a leave from Right inside. Yes, my wife. Yes, me and Petra out here reasoning. Alright, my wife, I'll tell her. Alright. I'll soon be inside.
Me can't hear what mommy they say. I want
She said the boy don't I bus stop and him don't know which path he come.
the boy no know what he come then and so long he left here.
To show you say in true stone behind him. You can born at a place that you don't know where to come.
Nah, no ambition, daddy. Nah, no ambition. But don't worry yourself. The two of we are going to deal with it in case. Yeah.
Put him sorrow and heal him wound. Petra, before you go, right?
Eh.
You see when you go down there,
Yes, daddy.
I don't want you to flare
Daddy,
up or
take
anything.
time because the man they pass back.
Right?
See the man they pass back there. I mean,
I
want the
wonder if
man.
him could have give you a jive.
No, I mean, I want to drive from him, make him go along.
Movie star.
Yes, good. All right.
Alright, Mr.
All right,
Ivan.
take care, Mr. Ivan. Nice little taxi man, you know.
Yeah.
But me no want to drive with him this morning.
So, my child, listen what I'm saying, right?
Yes, daddy.
When you go down at the bus stop,
Yes, daddy.
I want you to treat it, make him feel welcome because he might look for when time he see you now you come with that rage like when he knew
You want me make something face?
Yes.
That's what me nah do.
So
That's me
him
not
good, make him
stupid.
feel like say everything good. And as soon as he build the house, we turn up fire and kill.
Yes, daddy. Yes,
That
daddy.
is our little secret and our little plan.
Yes, daddy. When you're going there, nobody in an argument
No.
with mommy if you make she find out say we
No.
up to sitting. Oh.
So, my child, you can go meet him.
Me love the plan what me and you have, daddy.
Exactly. Let me go
I saw
inside,
me
go
know
see.
say you will love me, you know. I saw me know say
Come
me
on,
and your
man.
favorite.
Come on, Petra. Come on.
Alright,
Let me
daddy.
go inside, go see what she want, you know. That woman there, you see.
Jeremiah,
Yes, my wife.
why you take so long to answer the phone?
I was outside talking to our daughter. What you mean?
But I was ringing the phone how long and you don't answer at the same time?
My wife, I was outside talking to our daughter.
Okay,
Right?
I hear you. What she says?
Well, Petra is very okay with it, you know.
Petra is okay.
Yes. She don't have a problem, my wife. She said, well, since our son want to come and build, it's no problem.
Are you sure? You feel okay?
What? My wife, what is it?
You
Petra
just
don't
said to
have
me,
any problem
Petra,
with it.
That just seems strange to me because I was here wondering what is happening between the both of you out there because I said that maybe she's breaking up all kind of fire. You know, I was very uncomfortable
Well, my
because
wife,
it's just shocking to know that
my wife, Petra take it very smooth and calm as
to
you
God
said,
be the
right?
glory. Wow.
She did not flare up. She did not make anything bother her. She said, Daddy, it's my brother, so he can come and build.
So what come over her?
Well, I don't know. So we was just out there catching
Lord.
up and she asked me if you're alright and stuff like that. I said yes.
Okay, so I'm like lost for words, but anyway, did you send her to meet her brother?
Yeah, man. She run off happily too.
I just can't understand what is happening here. You acting
My
very
wife.
well,
My wife,
and
Petra
Petra
is
is okay.
a well-behaved girl. So what shock you now? Huh? My
It's
daughter
just-
is a very good daughter, you know, my wife.
I
Why you
didn't
make
say
it look
anything bad.
why you make it look so
I
bad?
don't say anything bad, and I didn't say anything bad about your daughter. I was just in shock to know how she miserable and she quarrel over every little thing and she disagree about every little thing, and then you come in with a smile on your face saying that she's okay with everything. It just let me feel very
Well,
uncomfortable.
she don't see her brother in a long while and now him coming here. She's happy
She's
about
glad.
it.
Oh my God, that is very good. That is very good, my husband. And you yourself look different.
Yes, I'm happy that my son is coming here to build. What you mean?
Okay.
Earlier on I was very upset to know that him dead here so long
Yes.
and him don't call her or anything or bring little grocery.
Oh.
You understand?
Mhm,
But when I look in myself and I see how Petra react and very happy that him coming here. I have to do the same thing too.
Wow.
It's my son already.
I am glad you say that. I am glad you say that, but to God be the glory. You know, to see both of you so happy, you know.
My
with your
wife,
son.
I don't like how you're behaving.
No, it's not. I'm
I
not
know you're
behaving
too
any
well. You have something up your sleeve. I know
I
you're too
don't
well,
have
my wife.
any, my husband.
Why you behaving like this
I
now?
don't have anything
I'm
up my
coming here and I tell you the good news, and you're behaving this innocently and you're behaving this softly. Like something is up or something is wrong.
I am just going to say something to you, and I'm not going to shout at you. Why are you shouting at me? I said I don't understand how both of you just acting so nice, and now you want to jump
Is
down my
that my
throat?
son?
Why you want to
And
jump
is
down my
that
throat?
Petra, brother?
Yes, but why you want to jump down my throat if I
Because
say
you just come
understand?
and you start behaving this good and decent.
Let me
And a
tell
while ago you was in fire and stuff like that, and now you keep calm and behaving
so
like
because
this.
I am calm, you want to chuck off in my throat? You think me
So
my throat
if Petra is calm now, why you want to behave like say something is up?
I did not say that. It's just that I am in
Did not
shock.
say that, but your actions show a lot.
Oh, so you go outside and you and Petra plan to come and beat me up?
And furthermore, I don't want our son to come here and see us still in argument. I want all of that to stop.
You should have think about that before you leave outside with
Well, what
vengeance
I'm
to come.
saying right now to you,
Listen to me.
this argument, I don't want our son to come here and see us in this argument.
Look
right?
at you. Why you don't
Our
want it?
son is coming here and I want him to feel welcome, and I don't want him to see that we're still in this type of thing.
You should have think about that before you come on the bed and start to treat me like say
Well,
I should
my wife-
shut my mouth over
My wife,
everything.
listen to me. Let this stop right now because he's on the way coming. Right? Let that stop right now.
So you want both of us to act like we are in a movie? Eh? You want us to act like everything is okay and this is how we live and he know that? Huh? I was here good. And you come from outside. I don't know what you and your little daughter talk about, you know. And you come in here and chuck off down my throat like you're dead on a sea? Huh? Listen to me. Anything you have planned up here, get it out.
If
You hear me?
So I'm here sitting down calm, you know.
Yes, and that is what bothers me.
Take two to in an argument, right? And since
Listen.
I know the right thing,
Lay down and
I will do the right thing.
that is what you
Yes.
should do.
Because I don't want my son to come here and see me in any argument. Let him see you in the argument.
See me?
And know that you don't change. I am a changed person. Right? Let her just lay down here comfortably until my one son come.
That
You no
is
longer
what-
don't see my son.
That
And
is
he's
what
coming
bothers
here.
me. This is what bothers me. You were just here flaring up my husband. And now you're relaxing and waiting on your one son. Something just not look right to me.
I don't even know which party you are.
Miss.
Yes, how that?
Hold on. You know which part Jeremiah live?
If me know where Jeremiah live.
Yeah.
Hey, well,
What ya? My sister this?
I'm a sister.
Hey,
I'm
get
a
so big.
sister.
You get so big, man.
What you mean how me get so big? I don't time you left up here, you know?
You know, see, I done so me go and somebody turn me back and see a wrong road me depend.
Yeah, you have one heap of road can walk and come here.
Well, me not
And
feel
you
like-
left yourself until you don't even know where you live again.
Face look different, man.
Me can't believe that you call me miss. Then I saw me favor big woman.
Yeah. Why?
Well, me glad to see you, see.
So, one shortcut never they down there, so.
Yeah, one road down there so there too. I want up
Check
there
down there, so, you know.
so.
But me no-
You remember it place.
Yes, broke, man.
It developed. So So tell me something. You put on all weight, man.
Really?
How you get up and actually you're married? You're a married man, belly.
Sister know so me care and sisters here.
You can't sing to me.
Yeah, man.
You know you know my style.
What you mean?
Me like you look
You know
good.
it's
And me love
too
the
big for you,
color.
no? Me bring a little pocket
Yeah.
money for you too.
You can't. You give me this,
What you mean?
This
How
is
long
my
time me
pocket
not see
money.
you, sis?
Oh, God.
Oh.
You know say all along me say, me tell mommy and daddy how much me miss me brother, you know.
Why, sister,
Oh.
she ain't even know.
Me say me miss you so too. Thank you so much for the money. Thank you.
So, how mommy and daddy?
They
Them a
good
go out
enough.
with?
They alright, man. They alright.
They still in argument and sit.
Them no change. That's how them not talk. He windy, man. He breathe, they blow it. Why blow it cool, not true?
That's why I say me have to come back here to come build in a
And
bit
that
of
me they say too.
place look good in the place,
Oh, you
well
mean?
fresh in the
You know,
sis.
sister, I play a big house, they build up here, sir.
Sis, where me a come from, you know, a beer, smoke and pollution, you know, that's why I know me have to come back here to come make something.
Yes, you happy because guess what now? Yeah, so you come from.
Truth, sis.
So you can't run well if you play, so.
Truth, yeah,
And you
talk.
can't imagine how mommy and daddy can't wait to see you.
Why?
So I hope I want the big old house, them like how everybody they build up like they build up here, you know.
I mean, sis, we can't be in a little thing on my mother place, but you're not easy, sis.
Me I tell you, but you look like things they go on for you down, so look for your boat, you know.
Really, you know, sis, but me try my best to achieve something in life, you know.
And you couldn't care one of them they boot they for me, and you know so you they come up here.
When I go up on the road, man, I set you. So where you going with now, sis?
Why me there, you know?
You not build nothing up a yard?
Bill, what me for use and bill? What me for use and bill? I tell nothing not go on for me.
So you not work?
No, me nah no work. I tell nobody no want give me no work, brethren.
So you never reach out to me give you a little thing?
Reach out to you for what? I know me are the lily one. Are you supposed to reach out for me? To see if everything alright, you know. Are you this left way up, so brethren? You this left way up, so. Boy, me did all vex with you one at the time, but and then me say, maybe hard life they take you where you're there, you know. And we not a pray for you, me not tell no lie. We pray for you
Grateful
that,
for that, sis.
yeah, that thing's
Grateful
going
for
for you,
that.
cause if, hey, look how much me don't even know, say, are you here,
You
you
know,
know?
hear me I call you Miss Winter, your pass.
Why? I tell you, my brother, me glad to see you so still.
Glad to see you too, sis. Glad, man.
And me glad to see you. Because me I tell you, say, boy, no pretty with we, you know. Me I tell you, say, all mommy and daddy, sometimes they can't even find no food give me feed. You know, every minute them I tell me, say, special mommy, but go walk, go walk, go walk. And me can't get no work. And what they want me to do?
Sis, me sorry to hear that, man.
And that me they
Because
say,
could have done better still, you know, but
I want me
there's
to
two little arguments where me and your father usually, you know.
the argument was you
Just
for me
come.
father. I know for your papa too. I know for your papa too. You know I say daddy head not so good. So what I fear daddy no mind, man.
So you're saying change?
Daddy nice. That me I tell you. Daddy nice, and when daddy you say they come up here. Me say daddy glad. You think I'm mommy glad? And daddy glad say
Now
they
when
come.
I call mommy, you know, she has say me that sleep and she never want to wake, you know.
Oh, but me I tell you now saying glad so till.
Glad to
Glad
hear
back
that,
soon
man.
boss.
Glad to hear
Eh?
that. So I wish all of them know that we have a walk.
You
Up
can't
there,
take any road, but me, the shorter road they don't get so me not know where you are. Me not know where you
If
are.
you take the shortcut.
So me not want you tell them say you give me this you know.
No,
Nobody
man,
tell
that
them
are
nothing,
between
cause-
me and your sis. That is not easy.
And me can use it do what me want to do with
Yeah,
it.
man.
Why me glad for you do?
Ethic alongside Sister Petra. and Christ who them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last year in my vein.
Tingle the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Tingle the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, tingle the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Tingle the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Yeah.
What if a bitter man to gain the world and lose him soul? No repentance in the grave, I just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me nah give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right